Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Instagram account. So Instagram is a really wonderful application to be on because it helps you stay connected with your friends and a lot of other people by either chatting or uploading your photos, stories, posts, or anything as such. So it comes up with different new features, and if you're wondering how you can log into your Instagram ID, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Instagram app on your mobile device through your app store, and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will see here that you'll have to enter either your phone number, username, or email and your password credentials in order to log into your account. So here I'm just going to enter my username and then also type in your password and then tap on the login button. After you tap on the login button, wait for a certain while, and then when you tap on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see that you'll have gotten logged into your account. So it is this simple to log into your account. I hope that this video has guided you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.